In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram app automatic back problem. The very first thing you want to do is check the server status of Instagram. So launch your preferred browser, type in Instagram server status and search for it. Now navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If there are no issues with their end, you can follow other steps. So close this, launch your Instagram app. Now first close the Instagram app. Then again relaunch it. Likewise, log out and log in back. These might resolve the issue. If not, you can check for app update, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the problem is network related. If Instagram is still not working, you can completely delete the Instagram app. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store and search for the app Instagram and launch it. Likewise, instead of using Instagram app, you can switch to browser version. So that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.